What is that? What is in your mouth, baby boy? This is after he sleeps. He was sleeping fine. Now he gets up and he wants to go out. He's gonna eat some grass. I'm not sure what's going on. I've been washing his face. What is that pestle? I put my hands in his mouth, feeling to see if maybe there's something stuck in there. I don't feel anything around his. Come out here, pestle. Come over here so we can see you. Hi, baby. What do you think, handsome? Let me see. Here, come here. Let me see. Look towards me, handsome. What are you coughing up? What do you think, baby? How's your eye? Yeah, we'll wipe him out. He's been sleeping for a couple hours. I don't know. Maybe it's just nothing. There's nothing stuck in there. So, we'll go outside, I'll eat some grass, and wipe his face off. He's doing good. Then he wants to go pull me around. Pestle, do you want to go outside and pull me around? Is that what you want to do? Yeah. Okay. He's a wolf. He's soft. He's very loving. He'll come up to you when he wants something. Other than that, he'll leave you alone, pretty much.